Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can make blur some part of the image in Affinity by Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Affinity app and I have opened one image here, you can see. So let me start with the video. So first we need to make sure we are into this pixel mode. Now here go to this tools, which is filter brush tools, just click on it. Now this option, this toolbar will be visible to you. Now select the first tools here, and here the customization panel will be open. Now select the brush size from here. You can increase, decrease that size, brush size. You can also customize this brush size by clicking that bracket key on your keyboards. Okay, so you can use this bracket key on your keyboard for increase and decrease size of this brush. Okay, here the hardness you need to choose 50%, or you can choose more than 50%. Okay, and the blur effects you need to choose that's Gaussian blur. Now select the area and blur it. Okay, now here in the layer section we have this image and this blur effects. Okay, you can also customize this. Just double click on this blur effects, increase, decrease the radius. Also you can delete, reset it, or you can merge. Opacity you can change, and here the blend style, if you want you can change it. Okay, so that is how you can make the any part of how you can make blur any part of image in Affinity. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.